Hello, friends. Take a look at the calendar. It's August 2026. The dates are changing, the months are changing, the years are changing. But let me ask you a question. Is your life changing? What happened to all those promises you made to yourself? This year, I will become rich. This year, I will clear all my debts. This year, my life will be different. Yet, here you are. The alarm rings at 6 a.m., and the first thought that enters your mind is, can't I sleep for little longer? Then comes the same routine, the same office, the same traffic, the same stress, the same life. And you start wondering why nothing has changed. The truth is, you are not lazy. You are not afraid of hard work. In fact, most people today work harder, run faster, and carry more stress than their parents or grandparents ever did. So, why are so many people still struggling financially? Because they have been taught a lie. From childhood, we were told study hard, get good marks, work hard, sacrifice everything, only then you will succeed. But think about this, who works harder? The laborer carrying heavy loads under the hot sun all day, or the CEO sitting in a comfortable office making decisions. The laborer sweats, the CEO creates systems. One earns a living, the other builds an empire. In 2027, are you going to spend your life running faster or are you going to start thinking smarter? Today, I am going to share a blueprint that can completely change the way you think about success, money, and your future. Part 1, the hard work trap. Most people believe that working more hours means earning more money. But that's not always true. Imagine you work 8 hours a day. Your boss offers you 2 hours of overtime. You accept. At the end of the month, you earn a little extra money. Sounds good. But here's the problem. You only have 24 hours in a day. No matter how hard you work, your time is limited. And when your income depends entirely on your time, your earning potential also becomes limited. The person who sells only his time will always have a ceiling. The person who creates value beyond his time breaks that ceiling. Think about a business owner. He may not personally do every task, but hundreds of people work within his system. Their effort creates value. The value becomes income. This is called leverage. And leverage changes everything. If you want to grow financially in 2027, stop asking how can I work more. Start asking how can I create more value. Part 2, Leverage. The secret weapon of the wealthy. Imagine a giant rock. Pushing it with your hands is almost impossible. But with a small lever, even a child can move it. That's the power of leverage. Successful people understand this principle. They don't try to do everything alone. They use tools, systems, peoples, and technology. There are three forms of leverage you should focus on in 2027. First, other people's time. Stop trying to do everything yourself. Learn to delegate. Learn to build teams. The moment others help you create value, your growth accelerates. Second, other people's money. Many people say, I don't have money to start, but business around the world are built using loans, investors, and partnerships. Smart entrepreneurs use capital wisely and create something bigger than themselves. Third, technology and media. This is the greatest opportunity of our generation. You can create a video today. Years later, people can still watch it. You can build an app once. It can serve thousands of users. You can create content while you sleep. Technology allows your work to continue even when you are not working. That's powerful. And the best part, you don't need anyone's permission. A laptop, internet connection, and willingness to learn can open doors that never existed before. Part 3. Become irreplaceable. Your income is closely tied to the value you provide. Think about this. A small cup can only hold a small amount of water. Likewise, your income can only grow to the level of your skills and capabilities. To earn more, you must become more valuable. In every company, some jobs can be replaced quickly, others cannot. Why does a CEO earn significantly more than many employees? Because the decisions they make affect the future of the entire organization. Their knowledge is rare, their experience is valuable, their contribution is difficult to replace. Ask yourself, if you disappeared from your job tomorrow, how easily could someone replace you? The easier you are to replace, the greater your risk. Especially in the age of artificial intelligence, the skills that will always remain valuable include sales, communication, leadership, problem solving, strategic thinking. Master even one of these at the high level, and opportunities will begin finding you. Part 4. The Physiology of Money. Money is more than paper. Money is stored value. Money is freedom. Money is opportunity. The rich understand this, they buy assets. The poor often buys liabilities and believe they are assets. Buying the latest phone may feel good, but buying an investment that grows over time can change your future. The difference is mindset. And there's another important factor, your circle. Take a look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they ambitious? Do they challenge you? Do they inspire you to grow? Or do they pull you back? Your environment shapes your future more than you realize. If you want a different life, surround yourself with people who are already living it. Final message, my friend, 2027 is just 5 months away. The calendar is changed, the year has changed. But unless you change, nothing else will change. Don't wait for luck. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. But don't wait for someone to rescue you. Make a decision today. Write this down. I refuse to live an ordinary life. I am building a future. I am building a brand. I am building a legacy. From this moment forward, stop asking how hard can I work. Start asking how smart can I work. How can I use technology? How can I create more value? How can I learn faster? Because your mind is the most valuable asset you will ever won. And learning is the key that unlocks it. Never stop learning, never stop growing, never stop believing in what you can become. And if you are ready to make 2027 your breakthrough year, type I will do it in the comments. Let that be your commitment to yourself. Success is waiting, the future is yours. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe our channel.